Now we're looking at similar triangles. If you notice for this picture, it says that RST is similar, and the little squiggly line there represents the similarity. Triangle RST is similar to triangle XYZ, and we want to do a couple things here. First, we want to list all pairs of congruent angles. And you really don't need a picture to do this. Again, the way it's written tells you what is corresponding. So we can say that angle R is congruent to angle X. We can say that angle S is congruent to angle Y, and angle T is congruent to angle Z. Okay? So those are all the pairs of congruent angles. Next, we're going to look at the ratios of corresponding side lengths and make sure that they're equal. So what we do here is we look at corresponding sides and we write ratios for each. So one of them that we can write is RT, and again, you don't need the picture, but RT matches with XZ, so we can write RT over XZ here. RT is 25, XZ is 15, so we write that that is 25 over 15, which reduces to, dividing by 5, we get 5 over 3. Then we look at, I guess we can do RS and XY, so we'd say RS over XY, and RS is 20, XY is 12. Dividing both of those by 4, we get 5 over 3. And finally, we've got ST and YZ, so we would write ST over YZ. We do that. ST is 30, YZ is 18. Dividing both of those by 6, we get 5 over 3. So we can see that the ratios of corresponding side lengths are equal. And finally, we want to write a statement of proportionality for all 3 side lengths. So let me get this set up so that we can see it clearly. The first one would be, and you can write this in any order, but RT matches up with XZ, and that's equal to RS, which matches up with XY, and finally we can state that ST over YZ works. Okay? So that's our statement of proportionality. There's our first answer, second answer, and third answer. Again, we just take this is equal to that is equal to that. Here's another one, same type of problem. We want to list all pairs of congruent angles. So that would be angle J matches up with angle P. So those are congruent. Because we know corresponding angles are going to be congruent. Corresponding sides are going to be proportional. So angle K is congruent to angle Q. And angle L is congruent to angle R. Okay? And the ratios of corresponding side lengths, we can write JK, which if we look over here matches with PQ. And then we take KL, which matches up with QR. And finally, JL matches up with PR. And they may, they may write those in a different order, like RP they may write instead of PR, but it'll be basically the same thing. So it would look something like that. Okay? And we're done here. Thanks.